Sarah, guys, and this is our first show ever.
Hello, I'm Lynetta.
Hi, my name is Shatarica.
And we are the Three Musketeers. It is.
Our first topic is
Why?
what it's like being black in America. No.
Please don't get me started. Guys, we didn't really think about this. Most people have scripts before they start.
If you need your hair done, though, shout out to her.
I did not have a script. We did not have a script. It's not that I'm thinking about this stuff. It's a little
We need like a theme song.
Do your thing.
Hold on.
What
What they doing on Carly?
Wait. I know you see. No, wait. Hold on.
I know you see someone who can change me and be so
Wonderful.
Live life.
Breathe there. I know somehow we're gonna get there. And feel so wonderful. Shake that ass, bitch.
What do you mean?
Shake that ass. I'm telling you, need some money. So let me pay your tuition. Come on, girl. Oh, shit, that was funny. Johnny Black Man.
Right. The shade. It is not sunny outside.
Welcome to our show, where it's never sunny but always shady. That's a good.
But
phrase.
in order to have shade, there has to be sun.
There has to be sun.
There's no shade, there's no sun.
So the sun is typically like the person, right, or the topic, right, and we throw shade on it.
But sun shines and then you get in shade. What y'all think?
I think the sun
I'm
should be
fucking
the
my
topic.
talking to. 0 viewers. This ain't no live with.
You know what we should do? This has been going for 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Honestly, I think I'm gonna put a trick title on it, like girls whore out their friends for tuition money. You know that little thing
Like
we
them
just did?
porn fucking titles.
Yeah, even though it has nothing to do with porn. Yeah. I just said
And it's gonna be so many downloads.
it will. But forget y'all. Did I curse this entire web show?
Mm-hmm.
2 different opinions. Alright guys, that was our first show.
But shit.
We really laughed about 3 minutes.